So at the root of with people, it's about engagement and accountability. And in scaling up, there's a specific tool called the function accountability chart. And you go to your specific functions, and I'll zoom in here, like the head of company, marketing, R&D, sales, ops, treasury, controller, etc. And then you're figuring out what numbers, so first of all, who owns them and who is the solitary owner of the different functions? And two, what are the input numbers or the activity operational metrics we would measure success by? And the results or the outcomes on the income statement or balance sheet we would measure success by. So we can get away from feelings and liking people and personality and more get to input and output. How are they producing? So coming up with clear measures for every role. And people talk, well, we need KPIs and dashboards. Yes, as long as it's a simple handful of numbers for the inputs and the outputs of each of those key roles. So there's a great tool to help define accountability and also carve it out. It's one of my favorite tools in scaling up. It's very, very powerful.